Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a new bundle on Roblox. So first of all, we have to go to in marketplace. Now you have to scroll down and go to in short and click on recent creative. And now you have to go to in categories and choose add from add. Now you will see this bundle called Parasitic Add. Click on it and just buy this bundle as soon as possible for free. And once you bought it or once you on it on this bundle, now you can go to in avatar or in avatar. Now go to head and body, and first of all let me go to hair and remove the hair. So I have already selected many hairs, yeah, multiple hairs. So it will basically, now I'll go back to style where I can have a dynamic head. Now you just need to click on this, the newly head, click on it. And see how it looks. It gives you a headless look and is a very weird look. So you can try out. So yeah, so we can say it gives you a fake headless looks. Fine. So that's how it looks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And I'll give you the link of the item. Just go and get it as soon as possible before it go off sale. So till then.